Welcome back to the vlog. We're here at the PBA LBC, and Jake Peters is my best friend in the West, and Richie Teese is my best English friend. We're bowling 6 games. This is the end of the tournament, last day. He's gonna help us film today, and we're gonna hook him up with a ball. So add another one to the tally for the 100 ball giveaway. 34 of the top bowlers in the PBA. 3 of us make the show. We all get paid. It's a good time.
Don't worry about that. Live your life. Tomorrow gon' face yourself. Today will go all night. Don't worry about that. Live your life. Tomorrow gon' face yourself. Today will go all night. All night. Tellin' my bro, don't worry about it. Tellin' my sis, don't worry about it. Tellin' my fan, don't worry about it. Everyone here, don't worry about it. I'ma live life. What about you? Come and take a walk in my shoes. Trust me, the sky no blue. Everything I say I do, I'ma live life, it's my main concern. Can't control what I can't confirm. Every day if I'm anxious, learn. One life and it's now my turn, it's my time. Smile on my face like ha. Learn that lesson and voila. Everything changed, stand in the rain and I'm staying in the same way. Bye. To my your ways, you know we ain't playing, we in my go day. Party all night now, that's okay. Tomorrow gon' worry about myself, no shade. Don't worry about things I can't control no more. Taking all of my problems with them on the floor. Let's go! Party like it's my last day. So every day I've been lasting. Everything sound crazy to the heart. Don't worry about that.
I had 189. Apparently they're really easy. Chris pulled 205 with 3 opens. I split 3 shots in a row. Good time.
Live your life. Tomorrow gon' face yourself. Today will go all night. Don't worry about that. Live your life. Tomorrow gon' face yourself. Today will go all night. Don't worry about that. Live your life. Tomorrow gon' face yourself. Today will go all night. Tellin' my bro, don't worry about it. Tellin' my sis, don't worry about it. Tellin' my fan, don't worry about it. Everyone here, don't worry about it.
We moved back to the right. We're throwing the Tour Dynamics now. Called a 250 game. Who would have thought? Playing to the right when they're easy. Wow.
Pull up to the Pentagon swinging. That's all heat that I'm bringing. Lay lines got me on the main lines. I'm the main figure with the main sign. Whole squad down for me. That's that naturally. You can't crown the beast. They might blast at me. That's that blasphemy. They step backs for me. Dark night is coming. Y'all better start running. Y'all see me coming. Y'all better start running. Dark nights is coming. Y'all better start running. Y'all see me coming. Let's go, it's about to get crazy. Let's go, it's about to get crazy. Lights out, hit you where it hurts, lights out. I'm a legend, it's a curse, lights out. You can get it cause you know what I'm about. Money long, I'ma run it up. Big bags, I'ma run it up. Gold status and I'm coming up. Ayy, big tags, let me sum it up. Dark night is coming. Y'all better start running. Y'all see me coming. Y'all better start running. Dark nights is coming. Y'all better start running. Y'all see me coming. Y'all see me coming. Let's go, it's about to get crazy.
I got 664 after 3. It's not the greatest by any means, but I feel like scores aren't nearly as high for us as other scores in other divisions because we're breaking the lanes down like poor bowlers, like idiots. We just hook the lane way too much, and yeah, so we probably still have a pop. Probably need at least 800 the last 3, but hey, we're still here.
Let's go, it's about to get crazy. it's about to get crazy. Let's go, it's about to get crazy. I got a need for speed, redlining, we turning up the heat. Get the crowd going, gonna make a scene. Buckle up, ready, set, 1, 2, 3. Born of a different breed, next level, I'm in a whole new league. I'm making moves like you won't believe. I'm sorry, you can't compete. Watch out, better make room, room. Pedal to the floor like vroom, vroom. Sub in the back like boom, boom. Can't stop me, what you gonna do? Gonna hear me going zoom, 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 zoom. Can't stop me. Zoom, 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 zoom. Gonna hear me going zoom, 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 zoom. Can't stop me. Zoom, 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 zoom. What you gonna do? Road less traveled, know that I paved it. Foot on the gas, we off to the races. No slow motion, this ain't the Matrix. I got the codes, we back to the basics. Underrated, can't understate it. Fade all the hate, cause it's unrelated. I'm motivated, I'm making changes. I see my future, I'm going places. Watch out, better make room, room. Pedal to the floor like vroom, vroom. Sub in the back like boom, boom. Can't stop me, what you gonna do?
I was the high man on the pair for the second time. See if we can put up a big one here. 300 would be cool, and call it a vlog.
Zoom, 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 zoom. Gonna hear me going zoom, 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 zoom. Can't stop me. Zoom, 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 zoom. What you gonna do? You can try to keep up with me, yeah. Ain't nobody touching me. You know I came for the victory. We out here making history. Gonna hear me going. Zoom, 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 zoom. Can't stop me. Zoom, 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 zoom. Gonna hear me going. Zoom, 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 zoom. Can't stop me. Zoom, 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 zoom. Gonna hear me going. Zoom.
All right, we just wrapped up the first ever pro division at the LBC. Went 141 over. I punched down the 10th to beat Chris by 1. Through the Zen Gold label, the last couple games look pretty good. Let me know if you guys bowled this event down in the comment section down below. Congratulations to everybody that made the show. Looking forward to it. I know our friend Jake Peters made it, so that's really cool. Good for him. Be looking forward to next year. Hopefully we'll see you on the leaderboards then. We did give away bowling ball number 33 to Dylan for helping us out. You never know when you can win a ball, when you can get a ball from us professionals. So stop by your events that are closest to you, PBA, clinics, whatnot, and hopefully we'll see you there.